Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick Mark. Now we have to tap on edit and tap on this kind of profile picture. As you can see, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. As you can see, you can touch here to select a different album, and if you will find the photo, just tap on it. Now let's tap on the tick icon to confirm. And from this step we can zoom in or out the photo and relocate, change the position of the photo. And thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, instead of this profile picture we've got our photo framed properly. So if you are happy, remember to tap on the stick icon again to confirm. And this is how our contact looks like, and basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.